Hi guys, welcome to this short video about watch band dimensions. So if you have to order replacement watch band, how to measure the size or the dimensions. So I mean, at least the width, that's the most important thing usually, unless you have to order like for children or so. But usually it's all about the width, especially when you order these things. So you have a couple of things. You have normal width here of the band. This would be 22 millimeters. That's not what we need. There's also another width here. Hope you can see that. That's a little bit smaller here. You could also measure this here and we would get to about 18 millimeters, but that's also not what we need. What we need is the distance between these like brackets or however we want to call them. And so sometimes it's a little bit difficult to measure here, so I recommend to start maybe if you have like centimeters. I mean, we are talking about millimeters usually, even when we order like from US Amazon. So we have this here, we start with 10 and we can see it goes up to 12, so it's 20 millimeters, which something which is a little bit easier. So this is something which are a lot of people using like in Europe. So we put this in between and we see also this 20 millimeters. And if you want to be really accurate, we can use this thing and put it in between here and we can see exactly 20 millimeters here as well. So here I have to definitely order 20 millimeters watch band. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.